Welcome to Garvey. Today we're going to discuss chain direction and how to set it. The first chain we're going to discuss is going to be mat top chain. This chain, you'll tell the direction by the rounded edge will always be the leading edge, and the open teeth for the comb will be the leading direction. You never want the blade on the tail side to be your leading edge, as that can be a catch when going in the direction of travel. And you never want these tabs to lead. RX, Flex Link, or Flex Move chain will be the next one to discuss. This chain actually has a direction of travel imprinted into the mold. So if you look real close, there's an arrow. But the way you can tell is by the shape of the tooth. You always want the beveled edge to lead. You never want the tooth that's flaring out to lead, as it can catch just as in the mat top. So your direction of travel is going to be this way. Beveled edge leading. Next chain we'll discuss is going to be your tabletop chain with no tab. This chain also has the direction of travel imprinted on it at the crest. But like the other chains, you're going to want the open end of the comb leading, and the round edge is going to be your leading edge. Never the blade side. And you never want the prongs of the tab coming forward, leading. Final chain we're going to discuss is going to be your tabbed tabletop chain, which is going to be very similar to your non-tabbed tabletop chain. You will have a direction of travel imprinted on each link, and this is going to travel with the rounded edge traveling first, blade trailing, and you're going to have the open portion of the cone leading. You do not want the blade leading or the tab leading. These changes can vary in width, color, size, and material, but the direction of travel is always set the same. Thank you for joining us today.